What's on YouTube? So Buckhead just found out back with another video, a banger, man. A back. A banger. My head banging. Oh, my head banging. Oh, let me show y'all the clothes I got from the mall. Who my head banging? So I'm gonna eat that for the video, cause I'm getting a haircut. Put on my top, man. Put on my top. Y'all already know we finna go rhyme. We finna go rhyme for real. We finna go all through the hood. We finna go all through the hood. I'm watching the hood, babies. So if y'all watching me, man, what up? Alright, announcement made. They done free my nigga YB. My nigga YB. I'm finna go get him from jail. He already died. They just made me hype. I want to live. Oh, that nigga Rich Boy Troy. I didn't even see that when you made that. I asked Tony to be my girlfriend. This is what she said.
Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
Don't you go with Nate, son? Y'all, I bought a diamond test. We couldn't be testing people diamonds. I'm gonna test y'all. I'm gonna test mine to show y'all that my stuff is real. You feel me? I had to delete some storage. I hope it don't go back out. I'm about to buy some storage. Take the junk off charger, man. Yo, my head banging. You see I'm watching? That's that Rich Boy Troy. Yeah, we subscribe to his YouTube channel. You be tripping. But what my head bang? I don't know what it say. Put my chains on. I don't care. I don't care. Y'all can write me up in the comments. I don't know haircut. I'm gonna get a haircut tomorrow or the day. Big diamond chains. Watch me every day. You say you don't like me, but stay up on my page. All my chains are real. Ain't nothing fake. And I bought a diamond test. It's coming in the mail Monday, nigga. It's Saturday, nigga. Come on, talk. Let's go get in the car. I'm gonna show y'all some new stuff in the car. Man, where my car at? Where's my car? I'm crazy. Where my car? I know I need to get repoed. Man, I know somebody don't got my car. Whoever stole my car, you better bring it back. Oh no, man. Oh no, son. They got me messed up, man. Now I can't find my headband. I can't even find my car. And my mama gone. Let me find out that you got my car. I'll call you in a minute. Where my car at, man? They playing my top right now. I don't got time for playing. And I said, Squirrel, you took my car? Oh, cause on gang, I'll come over there and murk you right here. Where my car at, bro? Bro, come down below my car at. Y'all finna make me mad. Y'all finna make me... I must know who I am. I must know who I am, son. It must. It's not in the backyard either. Look, look one more time. I think I'm just tripping. Let me... Where my car at? Wow, I'm gang for somebody to throw my hands with me. It ain't down there. It ain't down there. Then what my fucking... Ooh. Is it in the mailbox? It ain't even in the mailbox, bro. It ain't even in the mailbox. On game. What took my car? Well, you already know what's up with me. That made me mad. I'm finna go beat somebody. But it done make me mad, bro. Where my car at? Where my car at? Boy. It made me mad. Where my car at, bro? Y'all keep on playing my top, bro. Nigga, where my car at, nigga? Like I want to come smoke all y'all niggas. Where my car at? Don't play with me. Don't stop playing my top. Stop playing. That finna make me do that to y'all. That finna make me do that to y'all. Where my car at, nigga?
When you were gone, he rolled.
You can be in the video, man. Whoever got my car, when I catch you, boy, I'm gonna do that to you. I'm gonna do that to you, son. I'm gonna do that to you, son. It'll make me mad, bro. Come on, hit now. What up, bro? Come on, come on. Wait. We all. Alright, you got it, yo. You got it. I'll be back. Go cook. What though?
I know, I kind of knew it.
See, I'm gonna do that to you. See, I'm gonna do that to you. I'm gonna make me mad, bro. Man, you dumb. Man, you hanging on me. Don't took my car. It made me mad. I'm gonna show you my drill real quick though. For tomorrow. No, Monday when I go back to school. I'm gonna take pictures too. I'm gonna show you the prices too.
You don't even care.
I only got this.
No, you didn't care about anything.
It's a plain jersey, so don't say nothing slick. This the price of this. It's a plain jersey, so it should be. Hold on. $12.99. Y'all get y'all calculators out.
You didn't care about Emily freaking gone for 2 days. Didn't even notice she was gone. Maybe some freaky clown got Caitlin.
This was
No, Emily plays games. That's why I didn't really
$45.
She plays games.
So that's gonna be the drip. I ain't gonna get a shirt tomorrow. Oh man. Wait, I got a shirt. I gotta get. I don't know, some black horses or some white ones. But I'm gonna get one of them. Y'all see that boy Ray Buck right there? They made me call him. He'll get on y'all. Y'all make me mad. Where my car at, bro? You know what, man? They're gonna be the end of the video, bro. Part 2 is coming to find my car. You gonna find that car. If we don't, when I see you, whoever got it, I'm gonna light your block up, son. I'm gonna light your block up. So when I see you, put you 6 feet on the nod. I'm gonna dig it extra 8 feet, bitch. Maybe even 10, bitch. So I'm gonna catch y'all. We'll get back with y'all later. Wait till part 2 come.